Welcome back. In this tutorial, we will be going over the downloads or digital file library. So what you do is go to the link where it says the button of the file library. Once you get there, it should open up here. You'll see downloads or file library depending on how what the community owner calls it. For this demo, we'll just call it downloads and file library or digital file library. So what you do is if you notice on here, let me scroll down just a little bit. All right, there we go. This won't be here because I'm the admin of this portal, of this community, and so I see it because it's there, but you won't see that, either there or here. So, main page, which is here, what will happen is there'll be categories, and in those categories are where you would be able to either upload a file or download a file. To add a download, what you would do is you go to, or add a product or something to the download section. What you would do is you click upload. Okay. Let's scroll down. So you have to give it a category. You have to click on a category. Based upon the category, what it does is it allows you to do audio, video, software, and documents, so that way it'll upload it in that category and upload it so that way it works. So we'll say let's pick a video. Then what you would do is you would put the title of the video, description of the video, and then you would upload the video. Make sure when you do it that you click on the category that you want to upload. So if it's audio, same thing. And what will happen is it'll give you the artist, the name of the album, and the title of the song. This could be either music or anything that's audio. So it's still the same thing. So instead of so what can happen is the name of the person, the if it's a series or whatever, you can put the same thing there. And then the title of whatever that audio is, you can put it there. Software, same thing. So what you do is it has to be something that's compressed format, and so in order for it to work, let me scroll down just a little bit more. So when you see here, same thing, it's in the selected category of software, the application name, the version 1.0, 2.0, if it's free or paid, and that's something that you'll work out with the community owner, and then the description of the software, and then you would click, select a compressed file, and when you do that, it saves, and let's show you where it saves that. Let's go back to the main. All right, now we're back on the main page. You'll see there's various things that are being downloaded. This has been downloaded 53 times. We'll give you how many things have been, what are the popular downloads of the website. And then here you'll see the latest downloads. So say for instance, we'll go to community forums, and that's a document. So when you want to look at it, it says download here. You click on it, and it opens up for you to download. Let's go back. And there's no videos in there. Let's take, there's some promos there. Here we go, promo video. All right, for the promo video, if you look at it, it's been played 53 times. You can rate the video that you're watching. You can play the video. It opens up. There the video is. All you do is click play.
Welcome to.
All right. If you want to download it, you can click there to download if the community owner allows you to download it. And then if you want to embed this video on your user page, your own members page, or on another website, just like YouTube, you can do that there. You can share this video with others, and that is how you add a video, as well as look at a video. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.